Thanks, Rex. There's a time in this country, before headphones, when music used to bring us together. But now all of this young technology is there to isolate.
Lenny, we killed another.
I wish we could go back to the good old days. My days.
We can go back, Mikey.
Can we?
We can.
Hold that thought. I gotta pinch a loaf.
With Sticky Sounds, we're bringing back the boombox, but we made it better. We made it waterproof. Is it still playing? We made it rugged. Is it still playing? Not only did we make a speaker that's waterproof and rugged, we made a speaker that doesn't just sit on Grandma's desk. We made a speaker that mounts to anything. How about a longboard? Yup. How about a snowboard? Yup. How about ski poles? Yup. How about a bike? Yup. And don't forget Grandma's chest. So stop buying $300 speakers that can only play music. Buy Sticky Sounds and take music where music wants to go.
Guys, hold up. I was in the bathroom, I didn't catch any of that.
Mikey, if you ain't first, you're last.
What does that mean? Guys, that's my car.